Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to share files in your Google Drive. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Google Drive website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the files that you have in your Google Drive. So as you can see, under suggested, I can see my recently opened files. And here I can see all of my folders where my files are grouped into them. And if I scroll down even a bit more, I can see all of my files that I have that aren't grouped into any folder. But yeah guys, let's go back to the top of the page and let's look at the left side of the screen. Here you can see multiple options that you can use for viewing your files and finding your files. You can see your drive, you can see your shared files, your recent files, trash, and so on. So guys, what we want to do now with these options is go ahead and find the file that we want to share. I'm going to be using this folder and this file right here guys that you can see, and now I'm going to be going ahead and sharing it with another person that I have in my contacts list. So guys, all you have to do is go ahead and either find the folder that you want to share or the file and go ahead and right click on it. After right-clicking on it guys, this will now open up this new drop-down menu where you will have multiple options that you can use, such as getting the link or showing file location, adding a shortcut, and so on. So what we want to do guys is go ahead and click the share option right here. Clicking on share guys, this will now open up this new tab where you will be able to go ahead and share the file with other people. So what I can do is go ahead and select any email that I want right here, that I want to share it with a person. I'm going to go ahead and then after adding all the people that I want to share with, go ahead and click the blue share button. So as you can see here guys, now this will add this person to this access to my image right here that I have started sharing. Let's go ahead and click on share. As you can see, there is another person now that has access to this file. As you can see, they can now view this file and edit it. So guys, basically that's how you do it. That's how you share a file or a folder. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.